Long before modern cities covered the earth, a civilization of unimaginable power rose beside the eternal Nile River. Ancient Egypt was a land where golden deserts stretched beyond the horizon, where colossal pyramids pierced the skies, and where kings believed they could live forever among the gods. As the first sunlight touched the sands, the pyramids awakened in glowing gold, standing like monuments against time itself. The Nile carried life through the heart of the desert, feeding great cities filled with towering temples, sacred statues, and endless mystery. Palm trees moved gently in the warm desert wind, while hidden oases shimmered beneath the blazing sun like forgotten paradise. Massive storms rolled across the sands, swallowing entire landscapes beneath clouds of dust and thunder. Yet even against the fury of nature, Egypt endured. Beneath moonlit skies filled with stars, temples burned with torchlight as priests whispered ancient prayers into the darkness. Falcons soared above sacred lands once ruled by powerful pharaohs, whose names would echo through history for thousands of years. Along the riverbanks, lotus flowers floated peacefully, while colorful birds crossed the glowing sunset skies. Camel caravans traveled slowly across endless dunes carrying gold, spices, and secrets from distant kingdoms. Giant statues carved from stone watched silently over the land, unmoving through centuries of war, storms, and forgotten empires. Every grain of sand seemed to hold the memory of a lost world buried beneath the desert. Deep inside hidden chambers, treasures of unimaginable beauty waited untouched in darkness. Ancient Egypt was more than a civilization. It was a kingdom of mystery, power, beauty, and eternal legend. A place where gods and mortals walked side by side beneath burning suns and endless stars. Even today, the desert still whispers the story of this incredible empire to anyone willing to listen. And far beneath the sands, the secrets of Egypt still SL. Every grain of sand seemed to carry the memory of a lost world hidden beneath the desert surface. Deep underground, hidden chambers protected treasures untouched for thousands of years. Gold masks, sacred scrolls, jeweled artifacts, and mysteries no one fully understood remained locked away